Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Get your fitness on. Are you ready for the challenge? You got the new year coming up. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to do it. I've been fit most of my life anyway. So, it's going to be a promising new year, I tell you that. And I got the curls, and I did the hammer curls, and ran 0.6. I was slacking. I'll get there. But not too bad. Worked the back a little bit. I'm looking at the screen. But I had fun. Alright? I don't have a rhythm yet. I didn't come in to hammer down on the curls or the back. One day, that's usually what it is. And the legs and the stomach, and another day, I'll be there in about 4 or 5 days before I work out a nice schedule. That's how it usually works for me. Alright, you gotta be fit on the homestead. Right? Alright, let's all do this together. Each and every single one of you. Let's go work out. Start doing push-ups, sit-ups, all that good stuff. So you take your shoes off, get your toes up under the couch. You can knock out a whole bunch of sit-ups. Every commercial, what have you. I haven't had my TV on in about 4 years. Got too many things going on. But getting a fitness on. Come on, let's do it. All of us. Me and you. Let's do it. Have a nice sunny day.